Hello, teacher and colleagues. My name is Leonardo Palma Forero. I am 26 years old. I am from Ibagué, Tolima. Currently, I live in the city with my wife, daughter, and mother-in-law. I am a nurse. I study industrial engineering. In my free time, I listen to music. My favorite food is the hamburger. My favorite TV show is the Big Bang Theory. And my favorite sport is soccer. There are 3 people in my family. My wife is Eliana Rodriguez Hernandez. She is 36 years old. She is surgical instrumentation. She is from Bogota. My wife is loving and nice. She is small. Her eyes are brown honey. She has black hair and a gray small. My daughter is Samantha Palma Rodriguez. She is 5 years old. She is in the school. She is from Ibagué, Tolima. My daughter is beautiful, tall and educated. She like play, sing, and she help in the home. Her eyes are brown honey. She has black hair long, and a face is precious. She has a toy favorite is a monkey called Jack. My mother-in-law is Marta Hernandez Hernandez. She is 61 years old. She is housewife. She is from Bogota. My mother-in-law is thin and small. Her eyes are brown honey. She has gray hair and short. She is nice and helpful. She helps us taking care of the girl. Thanks.